Hello and welcome to London. I found some old footage from when we were there that I never made into video. So here I am doing it now. We went there for my 23rd birthday, I think. It was like a weekend trip. I was here over the summer, so we wanted to do something for my birthday. We came there late on Friday. We had dinner at Italian restaurant and just went to our room. The next day we started at Trafalgar Square. You can see Denis being annoyed at me for filming him there. After that, we wanted to see the Big Ben. To our surprise, it was under construction. Like, we never do any planning with our trips, so surprise, surprise. So we decided to go and get something to eat. I had curry and Dennis had a wrap. I ended up eating his wrap because my curry was not it. We ended up going across the bridge that I forgot the name of, but you can see the views from there. You can see the Big Ben under construction and London Eye. We went for a walk next to the river and sat here looking at the Big Ben under construction while we Google some gift shops. And after wandering around for some time, we were surprised to find the small version of Big Ben. I honestly have no idea if this is like a hotel or something, but they had Big Ben over there, so we were pretty. It was pretty funny. At least we saw one version of it. We enjoyed some London Eye views as well. We also stumbled upon this beautiful park on our walk to the bus station. We went to see St. Paul's Cathedral and I fell in love with it instantly. It's so gorgeous, really. But unfortunately, we didn't have any time to go in, but hopefully next time. We had lunch next to the cathedral. So good. Perfect burgers. And the milkshake. After that, we went to see Tower Bridge. The sun was setting, so we wanted to check it out before dark. And we ended up seeing it raise its basculus. I think that's what it's called. But anyway, the boat was going through. Next day we slept in because we walked so much the day before. We grabbed some pizza, some brunch, and we went to on the King Cross station to see the 9 3/4. Even though I thought it was pretty late, I guess we came there at the right time because the line was like okay length. I don't have any footage from the inside, but here's a photo. We were pretty tired, so we decided to just go back and rest a little. In the evening, we went to the car meet. Of course, it wouldn't be a trip with Denis if there was no car meet included. It was pretty late and we were hungry. We barely found something that was open at this hour. The day after was our last day in London. We had some lunch and decided to visit a few more things before we had a train to catch. Listening to Denis, we went into the wrong bus and ended up somewhere and then waited for the next one to take us to the Buckingham Palace. We also spent some time in the Hyde Park before we went to see the Buckingham Palace. After not being impressed by the Buckingham Palace, Denis took me to the Lamborghini dealership. Next to the dealership there was a Starbucks shop, so we had some coffee, tried to figure out how to get back to the station, and that was it. That was the last of our trip to London. We were sad to go back. We waved goodbye and went home.